Victor Fox in San Diego, California.
And I'm John Wirtz, and we've been setting tile in San Diego since 1972. Qualified labor give a quality product to our customers, and in a consistency. They know that if they hire Wirtz Quality Installations, they're going to get that quality that they expect. And the qualified labor is the only way you're going to get it. Is if you have people that know what they're doing and know how to conduct themselves on a job. It's nice to drive around the city and look at all the projects we've done. We do a lot of high-end projects in San Diego, and it's nice to drive around and say, oh, we've done this building, and we've done this building, and it's very rewarding.